Why don't seniors play hide and seek in the bathroom? Because every time they hide, their bath seat gives them away. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bath seats for seniors. Tip 1. Safety first. The primary concern in selecting a bath seat for the elderly is safety. Make sure that the bath seat is sturdy and won't easily tip over. Look for ones with non-slip features such as rubber feet or suction cups that secure the seat to the bathtub and prevent sliding. Also, ensure they have side handles for the senior to hold onto when sitting or standing. Tip 2. Comfort is key. The overall comfort of the bath seat matters, especially for seniors who may spend more extended periods in the bath. Padded seats or seats with a backrest can provide extra support and be more comfortable than hard plastic options. Tip 3. Consider the weight capacity. Make sure the bath seat can safely accommodate the weight of the user. Most bath seats list a weight limit. Be sure to choose a seat that supports more than the user's weight to ensure safety and longevity. Tip 4. Easy installation. A good bath seat should not require complex or strenuous installation. Try selecting a bath seat that is easy to install and remove for cleaning purposes, or when it needs to be temporarily out of the way. Tip 5. Adjustability is important. Adjustable bath seats can change in height, allowing for a custom fit that will accommodate the senior's individual needs. Some models even offer adjustable backrests or armrests for added flexibility and comfort. Tip 6. Choose a bath seat with drainage holes. These help to facilitate water flow during the bath, preventing water from pooling on the seat, which could lead to discomfort or a slippery surface. Tip 7. Choose a corrosion-resistant bath seat. Opt for bath seats made from rust-proof materials like plastic or aluminium. This ensures the longevity of the seat and keeps it looking clean and fresh. Tip 8. Go for easy maintenance. A bath seat that's easy to clean and maintain will not only look good, but will also ensure that it stays hygienic and safe for use. A seat with removable parts or one that's made from easy-to-clean material like plastic is always a good idea. Tip 9. Consider portable or foldable options. These are great for homes with only one bathroom that's used by multiple members of the household. A portable or foldable bath seat can be moved or stored away easily when not in use. Tip 10. Take the size of the bathtub into consideration. It's essential to ensure that the bath seat fits well into the available space. A seat that's too large or too small may not function properly or could pose a safety risk. Tip 11. Review the product's warranty. A warranty gives peace of mind in case of product defects or premature wear and tear. Longer warranties often mean the manufacturer is confident in the seat's quality and durability.